Hello, this is Otto from London Car Alarm Company once again. We're just doing a quick short video on the Starline i96 Pro. This is the most common phone call we get. Customer think there's something wrong with the vehicle. They've just taken it for a car wash, or you're taking it for a service. They've forgotten to put it in value mode. The guy doesn't realise who's gone to move the vehicle, and this is what happens. So he starts the vehicle, fine, no problem, puts it into gear. Vehicle cuts out. Okay, so that's the first attempt. He then doesn't realise, he then makes another start. Puts it into gear once again. Vehicle cuts out. Third time and final time, start the car again. Allows you to start it one more time. Puts it into gear. Vehicle cuts out. Now see what happens. Okay, so they've gone to start it again. They haven't called the customer. Customer hasn't realised it's not in value mode. Goes to start it. Vehicle won't start. Now watch what happens. You get all these error codes coming up. It's purely because obviously it's in the immobilised state long term, and you'll see, there you go, all these errors are coming up now. They don't know what to do. Okay, so basically ignition off, ignition on, insert your code, it disarms, ignition off, foot on the brake, within 10 seconds, start it. Watch, these error codes will eventually clear. There you go. Error codes have cleared. So you think there's something wrong with the vehicle. It's just purely because you haven't put it in value mode, and they've done 4 attempted starts. Okay, as I said, it's the most common phone call we get. This is the Starline i96, nothing wrong with it, purely customer error, not putting it in value mode, and guy moving it not realise that obviously it's in an immobilised state. If you've got any problems, just give me a call, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.